Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find system. Now let's enter about phone, which should be at the very top, and now let's scroll down. Here we have to enter the software information, and as you can see right here, we've got the build number, and we need it in order to activate the developer options. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, I've got the screen lock, so I have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the information that we are a developer. So now we can go back to the general settings in order to find the developer options. And as you can see, they will simply appear in the system section. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can turn on the option to don't keep activities, which means simply that your device will destroy every activity as soon as the user leaves it, so you will not have anything opened in recent. You can show the surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here you've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth, and actually overall to the networking, because we've got the Wi-Fi also here, and so on and so on. So we've got a lot of options to choose from, to customize, to turn on or off. And in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher on the option. And as you can see right now, it is actually immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher at the very top. So after tapping on it, you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system section, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.